Shares of Nvidia are trading at 120.98 and they are up over 150% year to date. Zooming out on the chart, you can see why everybody has been talking about this stock for the past year. I mean, look at that massive bull run they've been having, and despite having a price to earnings of over 70 at this point, analysts are still bullish on this stock given the company's insane market share and growth estimates. For my 2026 price projection, I'm taking their expected 2026 EPS of $3.08 and multiplying that by a PE of 40, which represents a stock price of $123.2 a share, which is a 1.8% upside. And it looks like other analysts are bullish as well, with the average one-year price target being $123.62, which is 2% upside, with a high estimate of $150 and a low of $90. Now, I'm using a PE of 40 just because 70 is so high, it absolutely cannot be maintained for that long. And given 2026 is a year and a half out still, there's plenty of time for that price to earnings valuation to come down to earth. And anyways, in terms of fundamentals, Nvidia has smashed all four of its last earnings calls. Debt to equity is at 19%, which is good. They offer a tiny dividend of 0.033, and their revenue and net income, of course, have both been skyrocketing. But here's the thing that I haven't seen many people talk about Nvidia, and that is their market cap. Nvidia is now almost a $3 trillion company, and they will be soon. So even though the growth estimates keep getting topped, even though they keep delivering, they've got to the point where there almost isn't enough money in circulation to double the share price anymore. I mean, look at Microsoft. Microsoft's been, one of the top companies for a while now. It took Microsoft 4 years to double its market cap to where it is today in one of the hottest markets we've seen in decades. And in Nvidia's case, it would just take a massive amount of capital in order to double, 3 trillion into 6. And I'm really questioning the likelihood of that happening. The stock is already on its run. It's already ran. So even though it still does have good value, I think the time to buy, if you want triple digit gains, has long since passed. And I mean, if you're looking for that slam dunk home run, something that you can buy and that will double, triple, look for the company that's going to be the next Nvidia, okay? Because Nvidia has already ran up, and right now, even at this market cap, I would really only be looking at the stock, at buying it, if they started working on that dividend, passing out some of that income and growth to the shareholders. But I mean, realistically, that's not going to be for some time, just because they have so much growth that they need to deliver on, given that it's all built into this current share price. So anyways, that's all I have for you today on Nvidia. Drop a like. Let me know in the comments what stocks you want me to cover next, and I will see you next video.